So I'll be showing you how to change the volume button function on your OnePlus 13. So this is basically what the volume buttons do when nothing is playing on the phone. Now obviously if there's some media playing, no matter what you've set it to, it's going to increase or reduce the volume. But when nothing is playing, what does it do? Does it increase or reduce the ringtone volume or media volume? To change that, go to settings and then go to sounds and vibration, tap on that. And then if you scroll a bit, you will see volume button function, and it's currently set to ringtone volume. And that's why when I press it, it adjusts ringtone volume. Okay. Now, in case I change it to media volume, you'll notice now it adjusts media volume. So that's basically how to do that, how to change the volume button function on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.